Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable closed captioning on Disney+. To enable closed caption on Disney+, first of all open a web browser, or you can also open up your Disney Plus application and log into your account. In the URL box, type in disneyplus.com and search. Make sure that you're logged in, and then from the main homepage, go ahead and select a desired movie or a show and play. Click on the play button in order to start playing the content. Once the content starts playing, simply go ahead and click on the settings button, which should appear at the top right corner. Now get to the subtitles menu and select the desired subtitle language from the list. Once you click on one of the language options, you can now get back and start playing the chosen movie or show, which will display the closed caption for your chosen language. And that's how you can easily enable closed captioning on Disney+. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.